So you have touched upon equity and inclusivity, right? So is there any additional weightage given for any specific category of students or applicants, let's say women or non-engineering sciences or
So
any?
at our past, we have tried to accommodate people who are from non-engineering background. Sometimes women are also given some weightages. But at the end of the day, I would be very honest with you that XLRI respects merit. Merit is something which we respect to the core, right? If somebody has done well, then obviously there are chances that person will be able to make it to XLRI. Like we have 100% merit based admissions process. But yes, those who are from the backgrounds, like for instance, for a non-engineer to compete with an engineer sometimes becomes difficult. So there is some variation in cutoffs for the people who are, for instance, from non-engineering background, or sometimes people, women who also who are from non-engineering background, because for them, see, if you look at the structure of our paper, be it verbal or be it QT, so engineers are good with these things, right? They are so I'm not saying that because they are good so they should suffer. Obviously they should not, but somewhere because we all want everybody to come along, it's very challenging task, and it's like walking on a tightrope, because we have to take care of our engineers also and our non-engineers also. So we try to do justice, but you know we understand that sometimes somewhere some values get compromised, right? Like for instance, some, if there is some low merit for somebody, then there is somebody who loses on something that happens, but we try to avoid as much as possible. That's why we have increased the number of people we call for interviews. Instead of in a particular quota, we try to do it, right? So that more people are coming, because at the end of the day, merit is what matters at XLRI.